Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the only built-in way to retract a just sent message, undo send. Open Gmail, click the gear and choose See All settings, then pick a cancellation period, 5, 10, 20, or 30 seconds, and save. Once done, when you hit send, you'll see an undo option for that time window. Use it to stop delivery. This works because Gmail delays final transmission briefly, giving you a short opportunity to retract. When you send an email, pay attention. A small undo notification appears at the bottom left. Click undo within your selected seconds, and Gmail reopens the message as a draft. You can edit, correct recipients, or delete it. Make sure to hit discard if you want it gone. This step works because undo intercepts the final send action. If you wait past the window, the message is already delivered and undo can no longer retrieve it. If the undo window has passed, you cannot magically remove the email from someone else's inbox. Delete your copy from sent mail to clear your record, then send a clear follow-up asking recipients to delete the message. Explain why and attach corrections. For future prevention, use confidential mode when composing. Once sent, you can revoke link access or set an expiration. If things go wrong, revoke access instantly and follow up by phone for urgent removal requests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.